In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about showing notifications on your lock screen on your Android phone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or a Google Pixel phone, if you want to go about showing notifications on your lock screen, or perhaps you want to hide or silence text message notifications on your lock screen, I'm going to have you guys covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the setting gear button. You want to go and select notifications. And then you want to go down to where it says notifications on lock screen. Go ahead and select that. So you have a few different options here. So if you want to show notifications on your lock screen, you will select the first option here, which if we click on it one more time here, show conversations default and silent. So it'll show everything on your lock screen. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.